What's the meaning of career break? Career break. Career break.
Career break. Career break. A career break refers to a temporary interruption in one's employment, usually taken for personal or professional reasons such as pursuing further education, caring for a family member, or traveling. During this period, employees may take a break from their job responsibilities and return to work at a later date. The result of a career break can vary depending on the individual's circumstances and goals. Some may use this time to gain valuable skills and experiences, while others may struggle to reintegrate into the workforce after an extended absence.